Good evening, Miss Jeremy. Good evening, Miss Jeremy.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Hello. Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Am I muted? Hello.
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 Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher. Can you hear my voice?
Hello. Oh. How about this? Can you hear me? I couldn't hear any voice. Enda, can you hear me? But I can't hear anything.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, there. Okay, thank you. Catherine, can you please open your microphone and speak so that I can also hear from you?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. How about Tristan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. I'm very sorry it took me a while to join because I don't know what happened to the Zoom link. Were you many a while ago in your previous class?
Yes, I'm on previous class, Mandarin class.
Yes. In your Mandarin class, were there many of you who joined the class? Mark?
I don't really know.
What? Oh, okay. Are the entity girls also present a while ago? Okay. So we have 8 participants, okay, for our session today. So we will be continuing our lesson on 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 nouns. Okay. I have our discussion today will be it's a quick review of the things that we have discussed. Okay, we have been talking about the rules in writing numbers and sentences. We are done with that one. And last meeting, I have reviewed about nouns. So let's continue with that. So allow me to share my entire screen. I hope it will work for us. Okay. Am I already sharing my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So if you can still recall, with our past discussions, Mark stopped doing that one. In our past discussions, we have talked about nouns, and you have heard or learned that nouns are naming words. So it can name a person, a place, an animal, or a thing, or even celebrations. So let's have a simple recall and let's answer this activity. So you are going to read the sentence. Since you cannot underline or circle, you just tell me what are the nouns, then tell or identify if it refers to people, if it's a place, a thing, or an animal. For example, okay, number one, teacher will do number one. Okay, so the quick fox jumped over the lazy dog. Again, the quick fox jumped over the lazy dog. One first noun, we have fox. And we also have dog. Fox and dog are nouns referring to animals. Okay, let's try number two. Mark for number two.
Yes, yes, Mr. We went to the beach and built a massive sand castle. On we,
Just pick the nouns in the sentence. Is we a noun? We, is this a noun? We. We went to the beach and built a massive sand castle. Mark,
beach, beach
okay.
is a noun.
And it refers to what?
The place.
Yes. Do you think it's the only noun in the sentence?
I think so. We refers to a person, like two persons. Persons.
Okay. We went beached and built a massive sand castle. We also have okay,
We
we
are
also have another noun in the sentence. What do you think is it?
we.
We? Mark, we is an example of a pronoun. Remember when you talk about we, it means you and me, or you together with me together with a group. We is an example of a pronoun. What else?
Sand castle.
Okay, and the other noun in the sentence is a sand castle. Okay, when you talk about a sand castle, this is a small model. Okay, it's a small model, maybe of a building, of a tower, of a castle made with wet sand. Okay, so people usually built sand castles on the beach for fun. Okay, sand castle, we can refer this one as a thing. Why? Because you can touch it, you can see it, it's physical. So it's a countable noun. So you have sand castle as a noun also in the sentence. Okay, Mark?
Okay.
And again, We mark, what is this one? Not a noun, but this is it's a pronoun. Okay? Okay, take note of that one. Okay, next to mark for sentence number 3, can I go to Catherine? Hello, Catherine, number 3.
Okay, teacher. My teacher lives in a blue house near the school. Known as teacher, house, and school.
Okay, Catherine, you are right. How do we say, are we going to say the noun is or the nouns are?
The nouns are
Okay, you start from teacher. It refers to what?
teacher
Teacher.
is person,
Continue.
house is place,
Yes.
school is place too.
Place too. Very good. Okay, doing good. Let's move. Thank you. Let's move to sentence number 4. We have Enda for number 4. Can we have you?
Yes, teacher. Pizza is my favorite food to eat on Friday. The noun is pizza and Friday.
Okay, the noun is pizza Friday or the nouns are?
What, teacher?
Are we going to say the noun is or shall we say the nouns are?
The nouns are pizza and Friday.
Okay, come again. Say it again.
The nouns are pizza and Friday.
Okay, and also, okay, would you like to identify pizza and Friday? What do they prefer?
Pizza referring to food. Friday is referring to days.
Okay, and also a food here. Food, the word food is also a noun in a sentence. Food is a noun. Okay, so it refers to any solid or any liquid substance that we intake or we eat. Again, for sentence number 4, we have 3 nouns in the sentence. We have pizza, food, and Friday. Again, we have pizza and pizza, food, and Friday. Friday here, it's a noun referring to a day of the week. Okay. So let's continue. We have now number 5. Let me check who are present today. Okay, for number 5. Oh, very good. We are 11 now. Okay, Tristan.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Let's please read and answer number 5.
The spaceship landed quietly on the moon.
Yes.
What should we answer? What should we search for this question, teacher?
Look for the nouns in the sentence.
Okay, teacher. Moon,
Yes, you're right.
spaceship,
Yes. So how are you going to say what are the nouns in the sentence?
it's spaceship and moon.
You say the nouns.
The noun is
Mm-hmm.
spaceship and moon.
Is or are?
Sorry. The nouns are spaceship and moon.
Okay, we have 2 nouns for sentence number 5. Okay, thank you, Tristan.
Great, teacher.
Number 6 now. Chelene, would you like to answer, Chelene? Hello? Chelene? Okay, if not Chelene, Grace, are you ready? Okay, hi Chelene. Can you try to read sentence number 6? Okay. Would you like to read sentence number 6? Sarah?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Sarah.
Oh,
Dropped.
drop open hail pull
On
out the
sidewalk.
city. Wow.
Okay. Sarah dropped her phone on the sidewalk. Okay. Chelene?
Sarah drop here. Was on the city. Alright.
Okay. Can you identify the nouns in that sentence, Chelene? What are the nouns in that sentence? Yes.
Sarah
Yeah, very good. Sarah here is a noun. What else?
drop
Mm,
drop white
yes. Okay.
all
Okay, we have another noun in the sentence. Phone and
phone
okay, and this one you say sidewalk.
side what
Okay, again, sidewalk.
sidewalk.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So come again, Chelene, say Sarah.
Sarah.
Phone.
So wait.
Sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Okay, thank you, Chelene.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay. So we have that one. We have 3 nouns in sentence number. Okay, 3 nouns in sentence number 6. Okay. So we already refresh our minds on nouns. Okay. So we already refresh our words on what nouns are and its different categories. Okay, let's go back on the discussion about proper. Is it the next one? Okay, proper uncommon nouns. Okay, let's talk about proper uncommon nouns. Can you still recall what proper nouns are? Hello? Can you still recall what proper nouns are? Hello? Proper nouns are specific nouns, right?
Yes, it's a
Yeah.
name.
Okay. When you say specific, It is the correct or the given noun or the given name, the exact name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. And it starts with a big letter. And when you talk about common nouns, these are general names. Okay, we are only talking to general names. Example, if I say teacher, is that common or proper?
Common.
Okay, it's common. If I say doctor, common or proper?
Common.
How about country? Country.
Common.
How about Indonesia?
Proper noun.
Okay, Indonesia is a proper noun. Why? It's a specific name of a country. Okay, so another example. If I say, um, if I say cell phone,
Common.
okay, that's good. And but if teacher will say iPhone 17 Pro Max,
Proper.
Proper.
okay, because it's an exact brand or an exact unit of a phone. Can I talk to Tristan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Tristan, how about I say Saturday? Common or proper? Saturday.
Proper.
Very good, because it's an exact name of a date. If teacher will say July,
It's proper.
very good. How about if teacher will say Christmas Day?
It's proper
Why is it proper, Tristan?
because it's a name of an event.
Okay, it's a name of a celebration or an event. Doing good. Thank you, Tristan. How about Kenshi? Hi, Kenshi.
Yes, miss.
How are you?
I'm fine, miss.
Very good. Glad to hear that one. Okay, I'll give a noun, I'll give a name, then you identify if it's common or proper, okay?
Okay, miss.
If I say chocolate, chocolate,
Purple, miss.
chocolate,
Common.
yes, it's a common noun because we don't know what chocolate is it. But if teacher will say Toblerone, if teacher will say Toblerone, do you
Common.
common?
Par.
Okay. Okay. Oh, is
Gak
it?
kelihatan, miss.
Oh no. For example, okay. If we say chocolate is a common noun, but if we already have Toblerone, Reese, like that, yes, it's a proper noun. Okay. Kenshi, if I say Tristan, what's that?
Purple.
Yeah, very good. It's a proper, okay, proper noun because Tristan is,
Purple.
okay, it's a proper, okay, Tristan is a proper noun because it's a name of a, okay, it's a name of a boy. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, miss.
Okay, I'll be sharing again my entire screen. Okay, because we will be answering this activity now. Again, after spotting noun in the sentences, the two main categories of nouns, common and proper. Okay, let's read first what is the big difference between common nouns and proper nouns. Can I have Katrina? Is your microphone okay, Katrina? Oh, okay. Katrina is currently outside, so she can't speak. Okay. Who is Naga007? Hello?
Nanda, Ausha. Nanda, Miss. Nanda, Miss.
Ananda?
Yes, Miss.
Wow. Okay, can I have you, Ananda, to read common nouns? What are common nouns?
Common names. General people, place, things, or ideas. They do not start with a capital letters unless they begin a sentence.
Okay, so common nouns do not start with a capital letter, but if that common noun is at the beginning of the sentence, of course, it should be in capital letter. Okay, Ananda, continue reading what proper nouns are.
Pronounce name, places, unit, people, places, things, or ideas. They always start with a capital letter, no matter where they are in a sentence.
Okay, so see the difference? Whether it's found at the beginning, middle, or last, proper nouns should always start with a capital letter. Okay, I have here a matching activity. So we have okay, for this column, okay, these are common nouns. Okay, in column B, we have proper nouns. A, we have Nike. B, Thanksgiving. C, Mars. Letter D, New York City. And letter E, Harry Potter. Ananda,
Yes, Miss.
would you like to read Um, would you like to read number 1? How do you read this?
Planet.
Okay, planet. And what do you think is the an example of a planet, or its how should teacher say? Its
Mars.
proper noun. We have
Mars.
okay, very good. We have Mars. How about number 2? Still you, Ananda.
Store.
Okay, we have store.
Night.
Okay, our answer here is Nike. Very good. Thank you, Ananda.
You're welcome, Miss.
Can I go back now to Kenshi? Kenshi?
Yes, Miss.
Hello?
Yes, Miss.
How about number 3? Would you like to read number 3?
Okay, Miss. Sundar, Miss.
Yeah, number 3. How are you going to read this? It is
Holiday.
yes, holiday. Which one here is the proper noun for holiday? An example of a holiday in this column.
Thanksgiving.
Very good. Thanksgiving is a holiday. How about number 4? Still you? Kenshi, still you?
Book. Harry Potter.
Yes, we have Harry Potter. And for the last one,
City. New York City.
okay, for number 5, city is its proper noun is New York City. Okay, very good. Thank you, Kenshi.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, so let's check if I still have here. Okay, so since you already, refreshed our minds again with common and proper nouns, let us have this activity on fixing capitalization. Okay, so you're going to rewrite each sentence and please make sure that all proper nouns are capitalized and common nouns are left lowercase. Okay, I have here 3 sentences. Let's start with number 1. Okay, let's start with number 1. So my friend Samuel wants to visit the Grand Canyon this summer. I will be stopping my presentation because we will go back to the Zoom and let's use the chat box here. Okay. Please open the chat box, then you can see the sentence there. My friend Samuel wants to visit the Grand Canyon this summer. How are we going to change that sentence to make it correct? Okay, before anyone would like to type their answer, Catherine, can I ask you one thing that you observe that is mistake or that is wrong in the sentence?
S from Samuel
Yes.
to big S.
Okay, that's a good observation. Samuel, everybody in the sentence, Samuel is written in small letter S. It should start with capital S because it's a proper noun of a boy. Okay, that's good. Okay, what else should we do to make the sentence correct? Okay, Catherine, would you like to explain your other answer? I mean, the other one that you've corrected? Okay, so this now is Catherine's answer. Okay, Catherine said Samuel should be written in capital S. Look here. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, S, capital S for Samuel, and also here, Grand Canyon should be written in capital G and in capital C. Okay? Capital G and capital C. If you notice that one from the first sentence, why? Grand Canyon is a specific name of a place. So that is now the correct way of writing sentence number 1. Okay, how about sentence number 2? Okay, I'll copy that one, then I'll put it in the chat box. Okay, so every Tuesday we buy fresh tacos from a truck on Main Street. Every Tuesday we buy fresh tacos from a truck on Main Street. There's a noun in the sentence that needs to be written in capital, and there's an names also that should be written in small letter. How are you going to change that one? Mm-hmm. For Mark and Inda, you only changed. Oh, okay. Let me see. For Mark, he only changed Tuesday. For Inda, Tuesday. Uh-huh. Tuesday, that's already correct, Mark and Inda. Track for Inda is correct. Two more errors in the sentence. Two more errors in the mark. Others also, please drop your answers. Okay. I hope you can read Catherine's answer. Catherine, would you like to explain what did you do to make the sentence correct?
I changed T from Tuesday to week later
Because
it's name of day.
yes, that's right.
I changed T from tacos to a small letter because it's name of a food and it is common.
Yes.
I changed M and S from Main Street because it's name of a it's a place.
Yes. Okay. And also in the sentence, okay, from the main sentence, you have here track written in capital T. But you don't know what kind of track it is. You don't know what's the name of the track. So that is why we are going to use a small letter T for that sentence. Okay, Catherine is correct. Okay, okay. This will be now the correct sentence. Capital letter T for Tuesday. Small letter T for tacos. Why? It's a common noun. Catherine is right. It's a common noun, but we don't know what kind of taco is it. So that's why it should small letter T for tacos. Just like what I've said, you don't know what's the name of the track, what kind of track it is, so small letter T. And Main Street. It's an exact name of a street, so that is why capital letters for M and letter S. So that is how we are going to rewrite the sentence 2 to make it correct. Okay? And then let's proceed to number 3. Deborah, would you like to read number 3? Please read.
We went to the zoo to see the lions, and my favorite lion was named Leo.
Yes. Okay, teacher will be copying this one. I'll be putting it in our chat box so that it will be easy for you to copy it. Okay? I am encouraging everybody to, to participate in rewriting the sentence. We went to the zoo to see the lions, and my favorite lion was named Leo. I'll be waiting for a while for you to change it so that it will be corrected. Okay, Mark already gave his answer. Would you like to explain this one, Mark? I'll be copying it.
Yes, Mr. Main.
Okay, also very good, Enda. Okay, so here is Mark's answer now. Okay, go, Mark.
So first we have we, which is a pronoun and also capital. So I mean the first word. So the first word,
In the sentence.
the first the letter must be capital. We went and lowercase to lowercase the zoo. What
Yes.
name of zoo is this? There's no name.
Yes.
So it's lowercase. To lowercase, C lowercase, the lowercase lion, lowercase, and Leo. As you can see, Leo is a name. So
Yes.
we have capital.
Okay, very good, Mark. Okay, that's impressive for you to discuss that one. So I hope you were able to listen to Mark. So Mark is right. Zoo. We don't know what the name of the zoo is, so that's why it's small z. And you already know that the lion was named Leo, so that's why it should be in capital letter L. Okay, very good. Everyone is doing good. So this is our activity for fixing capitalization. Okay, let's see if I still have another activity here. Okay. Okay, one last activity. So teacher here has a short paragraph. Okay. I was about to give you this one as a writing activity, but I think I'll not be giving this one to you as a writing activity. But instead, we will be answering this one. Okay. So you are going to just read the sentence, then identify. Okay. Um, Identify the nouns whether it's common or circle. Then teacher will be underlining the common, and then I will be circling the proper nouns. Let's have it sentence by sentence. Okay? Can I have Inda to read the first sentence?
Yes, teacher. Last August, Maya took a long trip across the Atlantic Ocean.
Yes.
The proper nouns are August and Atlantic Ocean.
Okay, for a while. Let's circle the proper nouns here. Okay, for a while. Shape, feel. I'm going to no feel. Okay. Again, you have August, right? What else?
Atlantic Ocean.
Okay. Um, Atlantic Ocean. Okay, this is also a proper noun. We still have one proper noun in the sentence. One proper noun in the sentence. Who took the long trip? Enda. Who took the long trip?
Maya, teacher.
Yeah, so Maya is a name of a girl. So Maya is a proper noun. Okay. So how many proper nouns in that sentence alone?
Three proper noun.
Yes, proper nouns. August, Maya, and Atlantic Ocean. Inda, would you mind telling us there is a common noun in the sentence, and what do you think is that? There's one common noun in the sentence.
Uh, Cross.
Across. It's a preposition. Our common noun in that sentence is trip. Or a journey. It's another way of journey. Okay, trip. It's a common noun. Okay. Why is this a common noun? Because if you will give a proper noun for this, you can say a European trip, an Asian trip, An Indonesian trip. Oh, that's a proper noun for that one. But if you just simply say trip, or we don't know what kind of trip is that. Maybe a country trip, a city trip. So, but here in the sentence, um, trip is a common noun. And what kind of trip will Maya be doing? She will be doing a trip across the Atlantic Ocean. Okay? So trip there is the common noun in the sentence. Okay, thank you. Can I have now Tristan for the next sentence? Tristan.
Yes, teacher. She packed her favorite backpack with books, snacks, and camera.
Okay, you have many things to mention in here. Can you spot a proper noun in that sentence? Is there a proper noun?
Wait. I think there is no proper noun.
Okay, so we have common nouns in that sentence. Can you please identify what are those?
It's backpack, books, snacks, and a camera.
Okay, very good. First, backpack. Another one. Okay. Wait for a while how I'm doing that. Okay, the first one is backpack. Another
Book.
books. And also we have here snacks.
Oh,
Okay, and another one is
camera.
okay. So how many common nouns do we have in that sentence? We have
Backpack, books, snacks, and camera.
okay, 4 common nouns. Very good. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Tristan. And to end, we have the last sentence. Can I have Catherine?
The teacher. Her
Okay.
flight landed in London, where she saw historic buildings and met a friendly pilot named Captain Davis.
Yes. Let's start with the proper nouns, Catherine.
London.
Oh, yes. London. That's right. One more.
Davis. Captain Davis.
Okay, Captain Davis, the exact name of the captain. So two. Okay, we have two proper nouns. Let's go now to the common nouns, Catherine.
Buildings.
Okay, you are right. How am I going to do that? Okay, you're right. Buildings.
Pilot.
Oh no. Okay, for a while. Okay, okay, the first one is buildings. And we also have here pilot. Okay, very good. We still have another common noun, Catherine, aside from buildings and pilot.
Flight.
Come again.
Flight.
Very good. Flight is a common noun in this sentence. Okay. So buildings, because we don't know what's the name of the building. Pilot, there's no given name in here. But Captain Davis, for the next one, is the proper noun for that pilot. Flight here is a common noun. Why? Because just like tripped, we don't know what kind of flight is she going to have. Flight as a common noun. Okay? So I hope with these activities presented to you, you were able to recall our lesson on common and proper nouns. Okay, on the next meeting, teacher will be... Okay, thank you, Ananda, for giving your answer. Thank you also, Catherine, for sending your answers. Okay, that's good. Okay, so hopefully next meeting, okay, teacher will be able to discuss more on nouns and other categories of nouns. So teacher will be ending our discussion today because it's already 7 p.m. Indonesian time. Thank you for being with me. And I'm sorry for the teacher was late in coming to class a while ago. Okay, thank you. And I'm happy to see all of you today. Have a good day. Have a good night.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
Kate.
Bye.
Bye, Catherine.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jermaine.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye, Ananda. Bye, Celine.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
again next, Celine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Ananda.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Thank you, Katrina.